Hi all, this is the HAPAW, it's the pet water fountain, and I just wanted to show you how it works and why we went for this particular water fountain. So essentially I've just put some water in the clean water tank here. It's a good 101 fluid ounces or 3 litre supply, and on the sensor mode here it will give you 3 weeks of supply of water. The reason we went for this one was because you don't have complicated filters that you have to keep changing in here. It just circulates the water and you can have the water dump out every 24 or 48 hours. So you know there's always a good supply of clean water in the tank here, or in the top bit where your cat or dog can drink from. There's also a sensor on here as well, so when this detects that the water's getting low, it will just top it up for you as well. And naturally you can get notifications on the app as well. So it does work only on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so as long as you've got that Wi-Fi signal, then this will work, this will connect to it and you can get those notifications. Really nice feature. So it's battery operated, so essentially I don't need to have it plugged in. I could power this on now and it would work, but it would only work on the sensor mode. And also if you're using battery, you won't be able to use the app. So we have it plugged in here. So let me just show you how we plug it in. So you can see there, you've got your dirty tank and your clean tank. You have a little cap on the back here that you just pop off, and then you just plug in your USB-C connector into the back there, like so. And you can see there that that's now lighting up. I'm just going to put that back on. Tuck the wire down the bottom there. Okay, and what it is on now, it's on mode 2, which is your sensor mode. So what will happen, you can see it now just starting to fill up the tank. Okay, so let me show you how we're using this water fountain. So you can see here that I have it on mode 2. Mode 2 is the sensor, and you have your sensor here, and you can see because it's detected my hand, it's just circulating that water there. But if I stop moving near the water fountain, that will turn off. So I have it, and there you go, it's turned off. So if I just put my hand near the fountain, so essentially simulating either your cat or dog going up to the water, you will see that it will just turn on. You can see that it just detected my hand. Really works fantastically well. So you have 2 options. You have mode 2, which is this one here, or you can change the mode by pressing this button on the top here, and that will change now to mode 1. The reason I can have this on mode 1 is because I have the water fountain plugged into the mains here, and if I have that, I can have it on this continuous circulation, and I can also use the app as well. Really nice feature, this. So this is now on continuous, and it will just keep the water at this level because there is a little sensor in the unit there, which is really great. So after 24 hours, I have it on 24, it will change this water, essentially dump this water down into the dirty tank and then start drawing up fresh water again to start circulating. So if you want to manually dump the water, you need to be in mode 2. So I'm just going to switch over to mode 2, and then you just press and hold the mode button for 2 seconds and you'll see the water drain from the tank. Okay, and you can see there it's taken the water out, and what it will start doing now is refilling this tank up, which is really fantastic. So it's drawing water now up from the clean tank and just refilling this dish here, and then the sensor will detect that it's full and it will stop and start circulating the water. So that's how it works. I'm just going to put this back in mode 1 because we leave it in mode 1 just on a constant circulation. Okay, it is super quiet, and I'm going to show you once it's filled the tank. I'll show you just how quiet it is. So it's just about to fill up. Okay, and there, so the tank is now full, the clean area which is now being circulated, and if you just listen to how quiet this is, it's super quiet. Okay, so I hope you found that useful. This HAPAW water fountain is fantastic. My Lily here, she absolutely loves it. It's available on Amazon and it comes highly recommended.